Hey everyone, welcome to 3D Modeling Pro Tips. Today we're diving into something super cool, making surfaces from closed curves in Grasshopper. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this. First, let's get started by creating a line SDL, Start Direction, Line, Component. Set your line on the default XY plane and aim it in the direction of vector X. Now, set up a slider for the line's length. This is where the fun begins. Next, we're going to divide the line using the divide curve component. Don't forget to add a slider for how many sections you want. More sections mean more creative possibilities. Move those points from the divider using vector Y as your direction. Pop in a slider to control the distance the points move. Set an expression inside vector Y, x divided by 2. To create a cool gradient height, set up a series for moving values. Add a series component. Set up sliders for both the starting value and the step value. Feed in the series count, matching it to your number of dividers. Add the expression x plus 1 to keep things interesting. You'll be amazed at how this changes everything. Now, we've got a series starting from 3, stepping up by 0.2, with a total of 14 steps. Perfect for what's next. Use the series to lift those points by adding a move component. Set the direction to vector z and connect your series values. You're building something awesome, and it's only going to get better. Repeat for the initial line points, but this time, flip the list for a fresh move-up pattern. Variety is the spice of life. This little tweak can make a huge difference in your final design. Merge all your points together. Collect initial points from the line divider. Move them in the Y direction, both patterns. Set the merge input to graft. Add the polyline component and connect your merged points. Close the polyline by setting it to true. You're gonna love how this looks. Offset the polyline and add a slider to control it. Add the expression x times -1 to change the offset direction. Create a boundary surface using both the polyline and the offset polyline. Set the input as flatten. Then extrude this boundary surface to add some thickness. Throw in a slider for thickness control. Use vector X for direction, for the finishing touch, add a custom preview and color swatch. Now you've got a masterpiece that's ready to impress. If you're digging this tutorial, smash that like button, share it with your friends, hit subscribe for more awesome content. Got questions or comments? Drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay tuned because the next tutorial is going to be even more exciting.